Hey guys, welcome to Jobmofy. This is Jan Santos, and in this channel we talk about how you can build your career, how you can start your dream job. We're all about helping you reach your goal and get that success. And today we will talk about how to make money in Jobmofy. Now, before we go deep in the topic, let's talk about what Jobmofy is first, okay? Now, Jobmofy is a premium job search platform. There's two options. If you're a company, you can build your team using this platform. You can start your online business, or if you're a company, you can do the transition towards going online, going digital. You can build your team using this platform. There are a lot of tools that you can navigate and you can utilize to run your online business. Some of them are the invoicing tool, the time tracker device, and a lot more, okay? Now, the second option is if you're a talent, you can find new jobs, you can start your new career in this platform. This is very helpful for a freelancer. You can land a job, you can get hired, you can start a new job with Jobmofy from different companies, different businesses all around the world. All right. Overall, Jobmofy makes it easier to find jobs and make more money. Tip number one, sign up in Jobmofy. Create your profile. Your profile serves the same purpose as a general resume or a CV for prospective employers. You can't get work without one. Alright, so fill out the job type that you like to do. Focus on the areas and skills and talents that you are strong at and the level of expertise. Make sure that you collect everything cohesively and consistently. Make sure also that it's 100% honest. Jobmofy will typically approve your profile within 24 hours, assuming the profile is verified and accurate. Then you can get working. Next is choose a plan. This is now where you get to choose which Jobmofy plan you will utilize. Now, Jobmofy has its premium and VIP account, all right? They all comes with different perks and different features. But don't worry, if you're a startup and everything is new for you in this online working remote thing, Jobmofy has a free plan for you, enough to get you started. Next is start connecting. Start looking for jobs. Start looking for projects or tasks posted. Now, don't be in a frenzy and just clicking and applying to every possible openings there is. Take time to really review, read, analyze if it's really a good fit for what you're looking for, and be honest if you can perform well and if you can deliver what is asked, all right? Now, there's a lot of job opportunities that will be rolling out soon. Jobmofy is a new platform. Have in mind that Jobmofy is growing as the day goes by. So meaning a lot of opportunities are starting to open, companies are connecting, and that's gonna be a lot of variety and options for freelancers, part-timers, online workers to benefit from. Have in mind that these are basic tips that you can apply for you to make money in Jobmofy. You can definitely use these tips as you continue your journey in your new career. I remember when I was still starting up, I followed these tips, and it is very important, especially in building trust and relationship with your first clients or employer. Now, there you have it, guys. Those are super basic points on how you can make money on Jobmofy, how you can earn money in Jobmofy. If this video was helpful for you, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. So again, guys, thank you for joining us for this wonderful episode. This is Jan Santos, and thank you. Stay safe. Goodbye.